Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says suggest the name of a Lewis acid other than anhydrous aluminum chloride which can be used during ethylation of benzene. ठीक है? So bachcho, let's do the question. So see, here what is ethylation of benzene? सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि what is the chemical reaction? Ethylation of benzene. तो यहाँ पे होता क्या है? In ethylation of benzene, where benzene is when treated with ethyl chloride, ठीक है, ethyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum trichloride, then the ethyl group is substituted in the nucleus of the benzene ring CH2CH3, where it is converted from benzene to ethyl benzene. ठीक है बच्चों, ethyl benzene. तो this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts. This is called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. ठीक है, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. This is the name reaction. And what type of reaction this is? This is an electrophilic. This is an electrophilic substitution reaction. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बच्चों? It is an electrophilic substitution reaction. ठीक है बच्चों? So what happens in electrophilic substitution reaction? The first step involves the generation of electrophile. Generation of electrophile. ठीक है बच्चों? This step is very important. That is the generation of electrophile. And how it happens? See, when ethyl chloride here, C2H5Cl, will react with anhydrous AlCl3, which is a Lewis acid. This is a Lewis acid. So what is the function of Lewis acid? It will abstract this chloride ion, ठीक है, and it will form the C2H5 electrophile, and we can represent like this CH2CH3 electrophile. This is the electrophile along with AlCl4 minus. So बच्चों, क्योंकि AlCl3 is a good, this is a Lewis acid, ठीक है, the central atom here, it is the octet is not completed, so it is very easily, it can accommodate in chloride ion, and therefore it can easily generate the electrophile here. So for electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene, your Lewis acid is required, that is anhydrous AlCl3. तो यहाँ पे function क्या है Lewis acid का? To generate the electrophile. So what other Lewis acid that you can use for the generation of electrophile is boron trifluoride, ठीक है, FeBr3, ठीक है. So these are the electrophiles that also you can use for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, which are used for the generation of electrophile, and these are the Lewis acid. ठीक है बच्चों. So I hope you understood well. Best of luck.